It's vital that we have a copy of our own ebook on our phone app or Kindle device, simply because it gives us an opportunity to test our books to see if the margins are okay, if there are no bleeding images, if there are no font issues, and more. So, here's how to get a copy of your Kindle ebook to your Kindle device in just 3 simple steps. Number 1, go to your Kindle ebook actions menu in the bookshelf page of your KDP account. Number 2, click on Kindle ebook content section and scroll down to the Kindle ebook preview subsection. Number 3, here you will find 2 options to download. Choose your preferable action. Now copy the downloaded ebook file to your Kindle using a USB cable or to your phone, where you can read and test your ebook using the Kindle mobile app. That's all. But wait, let's also see if it makes business sense to actually buy our ebook once it's on sale on the Amazon Kindle marketplace. Here are a couple of reasons why we should buy our own ebook. The first thing is that it boosts your ebook's ranking in a big way. Yes, it's just one sale, but it does make a difference. The difference in rank is almost in thousands sometimes. And the second one is testing the process. As already mentioned earlier, it allows us to see exactly what buyers will see. Above all, we get our royalties back, so we are not even paying completely for the ebook's price. And here's a bonus tip. When you enroll for KDP Select program, you get a chance to promote your ebook for free for 5 days. You can use that opportunity to buy your own ebook for free during one of those days. Now, isn't that a win-win situation? Just remember that although buying for free boosts your sales ranking, it does so only under the free ebooks category section. To get a better ranking under the paid ebooks category, you will need to spend to buy your ebook. So always try to be the first purchaser of your own ebooks. If you haven't already, download your free copy of the PDF report that explains Kindle ebook pricing strategies that you can follow while publishing your ebook on Kindle. All you have to do is just go to the downloads section as shown on the screen now, register yourself, and get full access to this report and everything else that's going to be published in the future. The link is also given in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.